seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Right there, got a socket like a.
What's up, y'all? My name is TajG, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be doing a Chipotle mukbang. Okay, so from Chipotle, I get a burrito, and then I had the little dressing that you use for the salads. I just like this dressing in my burrito, so yeah. In my burrito, I have lettuce, not sour cream, but I have lettuce, corn, pico, and cheese, and maybe like one other thing. I just can't think of it right now. I don't really touch my burritos or like sub sandwiches. This is A1. In the comments, put what's your favorite thing to get from Chipotle. But like I said before, my name's TajG, and I play basketball, and I'm in school, so I'll be posting a lot, but I won't post as much as like other people because I have school and I have other things to do. That's my family. That's every time I go to Chipotle, I get this burrito. Exact same thing. It's been OG. I usually get a salad, but I get this. But I'll be doing a lot more of the mukbang, however you say it.
Why are you gonna be doing a lot of mukbang?
Because I vlog sometimes.
Because you eat a lot.
Yeah, because I eat a lot. My favorite food is pizza. So I can try a lot of different pizza places if you leave them in the comments.
You gonna do a pizza mukbang?
Yep, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more action. See how fast I finish my stuff too? I'm almost at the bottom. I'm dropping a lot of my stuff. I just constantly pour sauce on my burrito. Yeah, I just feel like this sometimes. But yeah, I just a normal kid. Just live a normal life, so. I have school, so yeah. That's the only reason why I can't do it a lot. But I will do it. Dang, the battery camera's 126. I keep on dropping stuff.
Little mukbang. ASMR. How you feel about being in 8th grade?
Oh, I just started 8th grade. It's alright. 8th grade is kind of, it's new. Cause it's like all the middle school like sayings like, in text messages, I really don't be understanding what my friends be talking about. But 8th grade, see, I'm on a STEM team. It's just like the challenging team. So I'm not with really all the bad kids. I'm not.
It's not bad. It just
They just don't. We don't go the same route. We're not going the same route. Path. Yeah, same path. It's just 8th grade. It's gonna be fun. I feel like you told me that it was gonna be one of my favorite years. So I'm actually looking forward to 8th grade. I just don't like the new no cell phone policy. It's like,
I'm pretty sure that policy
man, forget
was
it.
because of me. I'm pretty sure that policy was because of us with the clinic thing. Because that's when all the teacher stuff came out.
Yeah. Whatever she said. I did say I don't really touch it, but I have to touch it now. I ran out of sauce, so that's done. Cause my family has to use it too. This shit's getting on my nerves now, unless I keep on dropping stuff though. But comment the next thing y'all want me to do and I'll do it. Not saying, but plus to eat. And comment some topics to talk about. Some topics to talk about. Sometimes when you eat a burrito, you need water, but I don't have no water. Well, I have water, I just not about to get up and get it. I don't feel like it, so I'm just rolling with what I have. I'm pretty much done though, so. Yeah. So, I'm done with my burrito. It was great. From 1 to 10, I rated it like a 9.5. But you guys stay tuned for more action on my channel. And like I said, welcome to my channel. Peace.
Weezy out of here.